Guys, let me show you what I got from the market today. This is Waterleaf. In a dialect we call it Momoinko. So this is Waterleaf. This is also Waterleaf. This is Afang. Fufu. Very sure it is. This is Efik. This is Afang. Open it when I'm cooking, you see how it will look like. This is fish, dry fish, crayfish. This is a crayfish. You look at it, you see there are plenty. It's much. This is salt, pepper, maggi. This is pepper like I showed you. I said it's two. Like I showed you, I said it's two. So these are the two I bought. This is salt. This one they have another food pack. Oh, that's all the quantity I'm using to cook. But that's not all. This is onions. This is periwinkle. This is periwinkle. So this is I don't know how you could call it here. It's two inside. I don't know how you could call it, but we call here in Abia Ikba. This maggi. We have this one. So it's just to spice up too. Okay. And this is the meat. This is the meat I bought for what I'm going to cook. Let's move on to the cooking process now. This is Atarodo. Like I said, this is Atarodo. Stockfish I'm using for today's cooking. So let's move on to the cooking part now. Yes, sir. So yummy. So guys, this is our homemade food.